Hi students, so today we are going to discuss the sales budget in budget and budgetary control. So once you see the question here, first question, the HP Limited manufactures which two brands A and B, gives the following particulars. The sales department of the company has three departments in different areas of the country. So here HP Limited, they manufactures two brands A and B. Okay, they have two sales departments. So to say nothing but for these brands they have three departments. Okay, brand A and brand B, where they are selling, they have three departments over there. So once you see here, A department 1, these are the sales for which year for 31st December ending 31st December 1992. Department 1 6 lakhs, 2 11 lakhs 25,000, 3 lakhs 60,000. And brand B, they have sold in department 1 8 lakhs, department 2 12 lakhs, and department 3 40,000. These are the sales are made by three departments for A brand and B brand. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తుందంటే ఒక కంపెనీ టూ బ్రాండ్స్ ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తుందమ్మా. ఏ అండ్ బి అని టూ బ్రాండ్స్ ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తుంది. అవి అమ్మడానికి కోసం వాళ్ళకి ఆల్ ఓవర్ కంట్రీలో 3 డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? వాళ్ళకి 3 డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకేనా? సో త్రీ డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్, ఏ బ్రాండ్ సేల్స్ ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిండు, బి బ్రాండ్ సేల్స్ ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిండు. ఓకే, ఓన్లీ యూనిట్స్ మాత్రమే, నాట్ ఓకే సారీ. Okay, these are the sales in units. Next you see, sales price is 3,000 and 4,000 in all departments. So sales price for all this department, the for sales price is 3,000. Nothing but department A sales value is 3,000 and B per unit is 4,000. Means 6 lakhs into 3,000. Brand A sales value is 3,000 and brand B sales value is 4,000. సో ఇవన్నీ ఎంత కమ్మిండమ్మా? బ్రాండ్ ఏ వచ్చి 3,000 దాని సేల్స్ ప్రైస్ అండ్ బ్రాండ్ బి వచ్చి 4,000 సేల్స్ ప్రైస్. అన్ని డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్కి సేమ్. 1 2 3కి డిపార్ట్మెంట్ బ్రాండ్ బికి 1 2 3కి 4,000, బ్రాండ్ ఏ 1 2 3కి 3,000. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్, it is estimated that with rigorous sales promotion, the sales of B in department 1 will increase by 3,50,000. So here what happened due to the promotion, sales promotion, nothing but advertisement. Here what happened? The sale of B means this one in department 1. Department 1 sales is how much? 8 lakhs. Now it has been increased by 3,50,000. How much they want to increase? With 3,50,000 they want to increase. Why? Because there are huge sales they have in that department for band B. So that's why they want to increase it with 3,50,000. Okay, so 8 lakhs plus 3,50,000 we have to do here. Next, it is also expected that by increasing the production and arranging extensive advertisement, department 3 will be able to increase its sales of B to 1 lakh. So with new managements and extending and arranging the advertisement, so what happened? By increasing the production, now they want to increase this sales. Okay, increase this sales for how much? But department 3 sales they want to increase. Department B brand, department 3 sales they want to increase to brand B. Department 3 sales they want to increase to 1 lakh. Means already it is 40,000. Now they want to increase it to 1 lakh. Means 60,000 they want. 60,000 here we have to add. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ 3 గురించి ఏం చెప్తుండే వినండి. బి బ్రాండ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ 3 గురించి ఏం చెప్తుండంటే, అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ చేసి కొంచెం ప్రొడక్షన్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసి దాన్ని 1 lakh వరకు పెంచుదాం అనుకుంటున్నాడు. సో ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ 40 ఉంది అంటే ఇంకెంత పెంచాలి? అక్కడ 60,000 యాడ్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్, ఇట్ ఈస్ రికగ్నైజ్ దట్ ద ఎస్టిమేటెడ్ సేల్స్ బై డిపార్ట్మెంట్ 2 represents an unsatisfactory target. It is agreed to increase both estimates by 20%. Nothing but in brand A and brand B both. So they are feeling that there is unsatisfactory target. సో ఇఫ్ దేర్ ఇస్ దే ఆర్ లిటిల్ బిట్ ఆఫ్ అన్సాటిస్ఫాక్టరీ అంటే అవి అక్కడ బాగా సేల్ అవ్వట్లేదు. సో ఈ బోత్ బ్రాండ్స్లో ఏం చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాడు అంటే 20%తో ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాడు. అంటే 11,25,000 into 20%, 12 lakhs into 20% అలా ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాడు. సో దీనికి మనకి ఎంత ఖర్చు అవుతుంది వాడు సేల్స్ బడ్జెట్ అడుగుతున్నాడు మనకి. ఓకేనా? సో ఫస్ట్ ఒకసారి వర్కింగ్ చూడండి అమ్మా. ఏ బ్రాండ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ 1 నో చేంజెస్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. A brand department 2 11,25,000 plus how much they want to increase? With 20% they want to increase. So 11,25,000 plus 20% we have to add. You will be getting 13,50,000. So in A brand department 3 also they have not made any changes. So 3,60,000 we got. Next, B brand. So 8 lakhs plus 3 lakh. Here what happened? They want to increase with 3 lakhs. Okay, brand B, department 1, they want to increase with 3 lakhs 50,000. So 8 lakhs plus 3 lakhs 50,000. How much we got here? 11 lakhs 50,000. Department 2, 12 lakhs plus 12 lakhs into 20%. 20% they have increased now in both the brands. So 20% means how much? 2 lakhs 40,000. So 12 lakhs plus 2 lakhs 40,000 is 14 lakhs 40,000. So department 3, 40,000 plus 60,000. How much they have increased? 1 lakh. Increased with 60,000. Now it is total 1 lakh. So for this we have to make a table ఎలా అయ్యాలి ఒక్కసారి చూడండి అమ్మా. I have omitted zeros here. నేను ఎందుకంటే క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ పెద్దగా అవుతుందని చెప్పి జీరోస్ ఒమిట్ చేసిన. చూడండి A, B. Okay, first department 1, 2, 3, A brand, B brand. For A brand, selling price 3,000 number, 3 zeros I have omitted. If suppose I have omitted 3 zeros means here also we have to omit the 3 zeros. So here 6 lakhs na, 3 zeros I have omitted means 600. Here 1350, here 360. So sales units I have taken here, sales price I have taken here. So 3 into 600, 1800, 3 into 1350, 4050, 3 into 360, 1080, total it. Next same B brand. B brand 4 rupees, 4,000 actually, 3 zeros we have to omit, 4 rupees. And brand B, once you see the sales units 11, 1150, 1440 and 100. 3 zeros we have to omit. Okay, 1150, 1440, 100. 4 into 1150, 4,600. 4 into 1440, 5,760. 4 into 100, 400. Add it. So this is the sales budget. Nothing but we have to read the question and what he has given in the question, as per that we have to do it. Okay. Next, coming to the second question, you see. Chandram Brothers sells 2 products which are manufactured in one plant during the year 1982. It plans to sell the following quantities of each product. Okay, now they are nothing but they are selling the products. Okay, each product. So totally how many they have? Total 2 products they have. Total 2 products they have. 2 products they are manufacturing, and sales he has given in quarter wise. Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. Quarter wise he has given. They have given the sales here. So once you see here, each of these 2 products is sold on seasonal basis. Actually they sold these products on seasonal basis. Product 1 tends to sell in better in summer months. So product 1 it is better, nothing but the sales are better in summer months, while product 2 sells better in winter months. So product 2 is better for them for selling in winter. అంటే product 1 ఏమో సమ్మర్ మంత్స్లో బాగా సేల్ అవుతాయి, product 2 ఏమో వింటర్ మంత్స్లో బాగా సేల్ అవుతాయి. దీన్ని బట్టి మనకు అర్థమవుతుంది వాళ్ళు ఏం ప్రోడక్ట్స్ అనేది ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తున్నారు అనేది. Chandram Brothers plan to sell product 1 throughout the year at a price of 10 rupees. So now what they are thinking that they want to sell product 1 throughout the year at a price of rupees 10 and product 2 at a price of rupees 20. So both the products they want to sell throughout the year, but product 1 value is how much? 10 rupees. Selling price value is 10 rupees and product 2 selling price value is 20. A study of the past experience reveals Chandram Brothers lost about 3% of its billed revenue because of returns constituting of 2% loss of revenue. 2% loss of revenue. So here they have a continuously they will be having a loss, that is revenue loss, that is how much? 2%. Allowances and bad debts loss is how much? 1%. So from previous they have same loss. Okay, from past experience what he has given that they have same loss, that is 3% loss. 2% loss is of revenue and 1% loss is of allowances and bad debts. Okay, so prepare a budget incorporating the above given information he has given. So now what we have to do, see the table here. So actually for 2 products 4 quarters he has given. So first is product 1 I have taken here. Sima product 1 units I have taken. Product 1 units I have taken. Quarter wise he have given a 4 quarters and product 1 selling price is how much? 10. So units you see 90,000, 2 lakhs 30, 3 lakhs 80,000. Multiply it, you will be getting a rupees. 90,000 into 10, 9 lakhs, 2 lakhs 30,000 into 10, 23 lakhs, 3 lakhs into 10, 30 lakhs, 80,000 into 10, 80 lakhs. Sorry, 80,000 into 10, 8 lakhs. Okay, and next product 2. 85,000 into 20. Product 2 selling price value is 20 rupees na. So 85,000 into 20, 17 lakhs. 75,000 into 20, 15 lakhs. 55,000 into 20, 11 lakhs. 85,000 into 20, 17 lakhs. Now what you have to do is add these both the values ma. Rupees 9 lakhs plus 17 lakhs, 26 lakhs. That will be the total. 23 lakhs plus 15 lakhs, 38 lakhs. 30 lakhs, 11 lakhs, 41 lakhs. 8 lakhs, 17 lakhs, 25 lakhs. ఇది టోటల్ చేసిన చూసినామా, ఈ రెండు యాడ్ చేసినామా మనం. Afterwards 2% loss he has said. 2% what loss he has said? Revenue loss. So on this total you have to calculate 2% loss. 26 lakhs ఉంది కదమ్మా, దీని మీద 2% లాస్. 26 lakhs into 2%, 38 lakhs into 2%, 41 lakhs into 2%, 25 lakhs into 2%. Next 1% loss is allowances and bad debts he has said. So 26,000 into 26 lakhs into 1%, 38 lakhs into 1%, 41 lakhs into 1%, 25 lakhs into 1%. Now from this total you have to deduct these two losses. ఈ టోటల్ నుంచి ఈ రెండు లాసెస్ మైనస్ చేయండి అమ్మ. ఓకే, ప్రతి దాంట్లో నుంచి ఈ రెండు మైనస్ చేయండి. 26 lakhs minus 52,000, 26,000, 38 lakhs minus 76,000, 38,000, 41 lakhs minus 82,000, 41,000, 35 lakhs minus 50,000, 25,000. So you will be getting these values and later on total it. Okay, so totally this is a sales budget. Okay na, so we have completed here sales budget.